A very warm welcome to the respected judges watching us. I'm Harshvardhan from Bluebell's Model School, and today I'm going to address a very important problem. Heart attacks or myocardial infarctions. They remain a leading cause of sudden deaths globally, taking an estimated 18 million lives each year, and more than 85% of the cardiac fatalities happening before the patient even reaches the hospital. This is because once the artery is blocked by a blood clot formed due to the rupturing of the plaque, the oxygenated blood can't reach the heart. Within minutes, the heart cells begin to die. Ambulances often take a lot of time, especially in crowded and in rural areas, leading to irreversible damage to the patient or even the death of the patient. To solve this urgent problem, we present you our innovation Cardiac Therm. It is an emergency wearable care device that provides targeted chest hypothermia and hypothermia therapies coupled with another therapy called as the TENS stimulation therapy, which is a nerve electrical stimulation. The device consists of a neoprene chest pad that contains embedded copper conductive sheet that spreads the thermal stimulation over the chest region, which is called as the mediastinum. Inside the pad, the TENS electrodes provide gentle stimulation to improve the blood circulation and reduce the heart pain and the ischemia. This pad is connected to an Arduino external controlling unit, which also monitors the heart rate, SpO2, and the ECG in real time and maintains and manages the temperature cycles of the therapy. Now, there are three techniques that we're using to handle heart attacks. First is hypothermia, which is the cooling therapy from a range of 6 degrees Celsius to 12 degrees Celsius, which slows down the heart cell's metabolism within 20 minutes, reduces the oxygen demand, and stops the growth of the infarct. Second is hypothermia, which is heating therapy from 30 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. It is applied after cooling to gradually reduce the blockage size and also to improve the blood circulation. Third is the TENS stimulation technique, which basically reduces the muscle tension and it also decreases the pain that is felt to the patient. Our future plan is to make Cardiac Therm accessible for every cardiac patient, especially in places where advanced care is needed. We aim to collaborate with telehealth systems, emergency services to deploy this into ambulances and in rural healthcare centers and high-risk households where the countless lives through this early myocardial preservation can be saved. Cardiac Therm, turning minutes into lives.